you guys have always made everybody feel like family too. I mean, you meet somebody like Denny or Jeanette, and I've known both of them for years now, and they make you feel like you're family after meeting for 5 minutes. That's one thing you don't necessarily get with some of the larger groups that do a lot for ASPE, like the Ilkays and the Bradleys and the Watts of the world. It's great that they're acquiring everything, but it's almost like they're losing themselves in the shuffle because there's so many people, and it's like they don't have the same one-on-one relationships that the smaller groups have. And you guys, I mean, to me, it's all, life is all about relationships, no matter what you do. And you guys have the relationship thing down better than almost all the rest of the manufacturers out there, with treating people on a one-on-one level. No matter how busy anything gets, you always get that one-on-one assistance, and you always feel like you're a priority when you're dealing with Peak Industries. It's different because I'm married to a registered architect. So I have my naughty and nice list about what works and doesn't work in the field. And I think that's invaluable because as an engineer, most of the time we're on a need to know basis. And if everything's going great, we don't necessarily need to know. We also don't know if there's a repair of something that's crucial out on a building. Like I used to do a lot of restaurant design. And if you, for instance, you don't have a hot water heater that's working, you're having to close that restaurant. So I'm hearing from owners about buildings that I've done, and it's invaluable to me about what works and doesn't work in the field. It's great that you guys can give all the customer service you want to us engineers, but the other thing I always try to keep in mind when you look at the grand scheme of a project, what we do on the design level is maybe 2 to 3% of the entire lifetime of a project. I want to make sure that the customer service that anybody's giving me is going to carry through to the 96% of the rest of the lifetime of that project or that building. So, to me, it's a big indication. If you're willing to go to bat for us engineers, I'm more than confident that you're going to give the same customer service to people who are going to be in need of that service, because we're talking about mechanical equipment. Everything that's mechanical is going to break down at some point. It's just life cycle and fatigue and everything else. Are you guys going to be there for operations and maintenance? And I know that Peak Industries products will be there. So you guys are definitely on my nice list as opposed to my naughty list.